G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? I've just chopped out a bit of the, I had a bit of water damaged floor. It was knackered, being chipboard. I'm putting down 19mm marine ply. I've located my joist here, so I'll be tapping into that joist. I'll be screwing my floor here into the bottom plate. It's all metal frame, so I'll be screwing it in to my ply and screwing it into the metal bottom plate, which will hold that nicely. I've got to cut off all these yet, and I've got to cut out that, but it's a maze of pipes and all that sort of thing under here, which no one knows what half of it's for, but anyway, you get that. Bodgy Bob owned this place before these owners, so who knows. But being all metal joists, metal framework, it's factory framework, so it's way thicker than what they normally put up. So yeah, it's all this framework is welded together and lifted on site. It's not a thinner profile and screwed together on site, no. So it's pretty heavy duty. As you can see, I use my diamond blade a fair bit for everything. But yeah, they're a good blade. If you knacker them, well, you just get another one. But it's quicker than changing to a metal blade and mucking around. like it. Nice. Okay, I've just got to take that piece out now, which is a bit of a problem, but I'll get it out. I'll get my handsaw and cut through it. That'll be great now to, I'll cut my piece of ply, pop it in, and then I can get going on the seat. Okay, stay tuned everyone. Oh, I've got to sort out that doorway yet. Yeah, that's cool. Stay tuned everyone. Subscribe. Tell your mates about my channel. Get them to push on the thumbs up. Subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Ciao.